Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're watching 412 PSC Customs here on YouTube. So we have another on-site install here. I wanted to go over amber white SoundOff mPower 4x2, and then there's two on the headache rack. Up front here, we replaced the star strobe tubes with a set of Abrams impacts in green white. Of course, all our wiring, everything is tucked real nice in this weatherproof box up here in the engine bay. Protects everything from the elements. This was obviously not a new build. They had a fire on one of their other vehicles that had the strobe tubes in them, so they just decided they're gonna change everything out. That's what we're in the process of doing. So how we always do, we use the factory upfitter switches, which we're actually gonna change here pretty soon because they want to have hot power. They don't want to idle the trucks whenever they're running their warning. Well, let's go check out. And of course, there you have your rear work light override. I didn't do it to the front. I could have with the impacts, but they really didn't need it. This is more of a shop truck and a truck that just hauls around skids for them. So here's that front end from a little bit further back. They're kind of angled out so you can see them better whenever you're kind of coming at the truck. But let's do another walk around. Of course, another quality build by 412 PSC Customs. Love these 4x2s, guys. And the X patterns on these, just absolutely love them. All right, stay tuned for the next one. Be safe out there.